What's going on, everyone? Just finished installing these PowerMadd mirrors. The model number is 34289, and I am installing them right on my handguards, as you can see here. So it came with all the mounting hardware. I had to drill one hole over here, as you can see. Right, and it's pretty clean, nice. They fit really nice. They ride right on the top of the rail right here, as you can see, and then there's one bolt. And let me come back here. Let me clear that up. There you go. So that's how it looks. Obviously there's a big difference from the factory. These things are huge. See the difference here. Big difference in size of, but they look pretty good. I'll take it for a ride tomorrow and see how they actually function. But get rid of these big antennas that the bike comes with. Like I said, looks nice clean setup. Let me know what you guys think. And that's about it. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave it down below. If you like these videos, I would appreciate it if you liked and subscribed. I appreciate it. I'm just over 300 subscribers, and I'm trying to get to the 1,000. So if you can subscribe, that would be great. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.